Hey guys, I am Christine from Monk and Milo. So on today's video, I wanted to go over fertilizers because I know it can be a little bit of a confusing topic for many people. As an example, I have here the Espoma organic indoor houseplant food. And I'm gonna go over the three numbers that you see on fertilizer bottles. So on this one, it says 222, and that's the NPK value, or the minimum percentage guaranteed by weight of these three nutrients: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. So nitrogen is important for the plant because it helps with leaf growth. Phosphorus actually helps with root growth and also if the plant is flowering or blooming. And then the potassium actually helps with overall function of the plant, helps it to be hardy and also to be resistant to diseases. So this one has a relatively low NPK value, meaning that it comes from natural sources. If you see ones with higher values like 20, 20, 20, then that is a synthetic fertilizer. So which one is better? I guess it's more personal preference. I prefer the natural and organic. The one thing with synthetic fertilizers that you do want to watch out for is the possibility of over-fertilizing. So if you over-fertilize, you may see it as the plant wilting, the leaves turning brown, and then just eventually dying. So if you are using a synthetic fertilizer, I would definitely recommend cutting it in half or maybe even a quarter of the recommended dosage. So how often should you be fertilizing? You definitely want to be fertilizing during the spring and summertime, which is the growing season. You might be fertilizing every 2 to 4 weeks or so. And then during the winter time, I would just stop with the fertilizing. So why is it important to fertilize your plants in the first place? Plants require 19 nutrients, 3 of which they obtain from the air, and then the rest are actually from the soil. So by fertilizing, you're actually giving them the nutrients so that they can be healthier plants, so that they can maybe bloom, and then they can be more resistant to diseases and pests and infections. So I kind of think of it as like multivitamins for humans. So that's what you're giving your plant by fertilizing. All right, I think that's about it. If you guys have any other questions or comments, please leave them below. And remember, all of our plant swap attendees are actually going home with a bottle of Espoma organic indoor houseplant food. I'm really excited for the event. I can't wait to see you guys all there.